What if I told you you could make $1,500 per month just by listening to music? That sounds crazy, but it's not. You can really make $1,500 a month only by listening to music. In today's video, I will show you a completely free method to make money online just by listening to music. But before we start, welcome to Make Your Bucks, the place where we teach you legit ways on how to make money online. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out on any opportunities to make free money from the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to making that $1,500 per month. The process that I will be showing you today is very simple. It consists of just 2 steps. First, you will have to download music from a free website, and then you will have to upload that music to another website, which is going to pay you for your uploads. Let's head to the website where we will be downloading the music tracks first. On your web browser, I want you to type in mixkit.co. Click on the first link that shows up and you will be directed to the website. Now when you come to Mixkit, you will see on the homepage, it says free assets for your next video project. Don't worry about that. You'll not have to make any videos. We will just be using stock music from this website. Now click on stock music right here. Here, if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of music tracks that you can download completely for free. And the best part is that you're not required to give credit to the website when you use any of the downloaded music tracks. Now if we go back up again, I want you to go to genre right here, and you will find all the available music genres that you can download from here. There's rock music, pop music, children's music, and so much more. I'll give you a tip which will enable you to make more money. There are some genres that will pay more than others. So if you want to get paid more, you should select the acoustic or hip-hop genre. Say for this video, we decided to go with hip-hop music. Real quick question before we continue. What's your favorite music genre? Comment down below and let me know. Again, if you scroll down, you will see that there are a lot of music tracks that you can download in the hip-hop genre. Now I want you to select any of the music tracks. Say we decided to go with this one right here, Trip Hop Vibes. Click on the play button and you can listen to the track. Now if you want, you can completely skip this part and click on the download button right here, just below the play button. Once you do that, as you can see, the music track will be downloaded and we are ready for part 2. A useful tip I can give you here is, you can download as many tracks as you like, so that way, you don't need to switch between websites all the time. Now step 2 is the part we've all been waiting for, and that is making money from the downloaded music tracks. We will use a website to upload our music tracks, and then, every time someone downloads one of the tracks, we get paid. That's passive income, which means as long as people are downloading the music tracks, there is no limit to your earning power. So our next website is up-forever.org. You will be required to create a free account in order to upload the music tracks. Before I walk you through the registration process, I want you to click on the Up-Forever logo right here, and you will be taken to the website's homepage. As you can see on the homepage, right here it says that Up-Forever is a site for profit from uploading files. Profits are calculated on each download, and at the bottom of the paragraph it says, "We offer you the best pricing around the world." So you will simply make money by downloading music tracks from Mixkit and then uploading it to Up-Forever. If you scroll down a little to this table, you will see that the website's payment is broken into 4 tiers. The tier is based on the country you're from. If you scroll down again, you will see that the website has already listed which countries belong to which tiers. If you're from the United States or Canada, you fit into tier 1, while if you're from Australia, you're in tier 2, and in tier 3, we have Saudi Arabia and the UAE. As you can see, tier 4 is for all other countries, which means that it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can still make money using this website. If we go back up a little, we can see the rates at which payments are made for each tiers. If your country is in tier 1, you'll be paid $7 every time someone downloads a music track that you uploaded. While if you're from tier 3, you'll make $4 per download. Now suppose you make an average of $5 per music track. If only 10 people download one music track in a single day, you will be making $50 per day. Now imagine that in a month, you have 10 people downloading a music track per day. Then that would be 50 times 30 days, which is $1,500 per month. And that's only 10 people. Imagine the kind of money you'll be making if more than 10 people are downloading the music tracks that you uploaded. And you are very close to making that kind of money. You just need to stick around a little bit more, and there's something exciting on this website that I need to show you. This will enable you to make even more money. Let's get into it straight away. The great news is that there's more than one way to make money on this website. If you scroll down from the tier structure, you will see this, current profit modes from the site. And so you can earn money by PPD, which is paid per download, referrals, etc. Also, if we keep scrolling down to the payment methods, look at this. There are so many payment methods you can choose from. You can choose to get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, and even Bitcoin. And the minimum payout is $1. The registration process on Up-Forever is very simple. Let's go to the top of the home page, and on the top left corner, click on Sign Up. You will be directed to a page which looks like this. You have to enter a username here and then a password, which you will be using every time you log into the website. You also have to enter your email address here, and then make sure to check the CAPTCHA. And after that, click on Sign Up and a free account will be created for you. Now, if you want, you can also sign up using your existing Facebook account or Google account, etc., as can be seen here. Once the sign-up process is complete, click on Welcome right here, and then select My Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account dashboard, as you can see here. The first thing I recommend you do once you access your dashboard is to scroll down a little to payment information and set up your payment method. Once you're done with that, you're now ready to make some money. Now let's upload a file so you can do the same too for the music tracks that you've downloaded from Mixkit. Now go to the left side of the dashboard and click on Upload Files. This is the page where you will need to upload the music tracks that you download from Mixkit. Let's take a look at the warning in red. You need to comply with these warnings if you do not want your account on Up-Forever to be terminated. Basically, never upload a file that will violate the website's terms of service, and you will have nothing to worry about. Also, as it says here, if you've tried uploading a file and it's not been uploaded, you will need to disable your ad blocker and upload the file again. Now that all that's been taken care of, let's go ahead and upload a file. We will upload any one of the music tracks that we downloaded from Mixkit. To upload a file, simply click on the Choose File button and select the file that you want to upload. In our case, that would be the music track. After the music track has been uploaded, you will have to check the public box so that your music track is visible to people, and so people can download them, and thus, you make money. Now in the description box, you will have to write the names of the music track and also the name of the artist as it appears on the Mixkit website. It is very simple. You can simply go to Mixkit and take a look at the artist's name, or as you download the music track from Mixkit, you can note the name of the artist in a notepad, so you don't have to switch back and forth between the two websites. Take note that once you have filled in the description, you need to click on the Start Upload button to upload the file. Otherwise, the music track will not be uploaded to the website. Once the file's been uploaded, it's going to say File Uploaded, as you can see here. The last step is to set a price for the music track that we just uploaded. This way, every time someone downloads the music track that you uploaded, you make money. To maximize your earnings, make sure to repeat this process with as many music tracks as you can download and simply watch the money roll in. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on similar videos. Until next time, take care.